Welcome back to my YouTube channel PGK Kadam Academy. Dear friend, in this video we are going to learn how to import the CSV or Excel file which is called as data file in Google Colab. This is a symbol of Google Colab which is used for the Python programs. When you search on the Google tab, Google Colab notebook, you will get this link. If you open this link, you will find it will show you where to open on the Google Drive, your Google Drive. So here I have opened my Google Drive. I have saved this file in this tab. See, you can see here, this is the import CSV Excel file. So you can create the new file from this Google Collaboratory. Like this, it will be open as a new file. So this is the way to open the Google Colab. Here don't have to install any software or any kind of this installation is required. Just open this Google Colab. This is the file I have already opened here to import the .csv.excel file. So dear friend, what we have to do first we have to import the library. And just we have to confirm, because we are importing the Excel file in this program, so that's why I have upgraded the pip install upgrade xlrd. Just we have to give this command, and after that we have to import numpy, after that import pandas and these libraries matplotlib, pyplot as plt. Dear friend, what will happen here when we give this command? It will run, and after that it will install. After installation is over, it will give the continuously the message here. And after over, it will show the green tick mark, which will show it is installed. The next step is what? We have to import the CSV or Excel file. The first type of this import here, from Google.colab import drive. In this case, after that, df_stream is the name of the data frame I have given, and that pd.read excel inside the colon. This is the format of the command. Here what we have to do, we have to give this label of the file. But where is this extension of this file? We have to store these files here in the file tab. And whatever the files are there, just we have to store here, and just right click on this. It will give the copy the path, and path we have to paste here. These two files are there, for aluminum and steel. I have just copied the path and here paste here, aluminum and steel. Path of that file is pasted. After that, it is the label is given for the df steel, df aluminum. That the pd_read_excel, and this is the command for this import the file. After click on this here button, or we can run it from here also. The cell we have to run, or all cell we have to run. So directly we press here, it will run that cell. So this is the file import for the, and once we imported this file, just we have to check it is imported or not. So we can check by using this command, df_steel.head. What is the purpose of this? It will show whatever the columns are there, and first 5 rows it will show only. If I insert here 10 numbers, so it will show the 10 rows. See here, 9 plus 1, these are the 10 rows, and all columns it will show of the steel, df_steel file. Here 2 files are imported, and another one is here, this is df_aluminum head. Once I will click on here, so this is the first type of the import .csv When we want to import the CSV file, here instead of this Excel, just replace here CSV, and it will automatically extension will be here CSV instead of XLS. So this is the one way. After that, another way is what? Second type of the import is what? Yes, from Google.colab import files. So here upload under equal to file dot upload. This is the one command we have to use to upload. What will happen here when I will click on this button? It will run and it will show the this tab. We have to choose the file, and it will, when we click on this file, choose file tab, it will open your local drive of the your CPU. So I can directly here choose the file. What is that file I want to choose? The file number, this is the experiment number 3, aluminum and aluminum steel. Once I will choose it and open it, so it will be get the two files. So what we have to do? This I have to just copy this sheet, and I can give it two times, or in one file, in one tab also I can run it. So I can do it like this. Another file again I will separately I can upload here. Suppose aluminum I will upload here. This is the extension of this file is given, and the same file name where to insert here for the to run this one. Okay, so this is the way, second type of the. So what will happen here? This I click here, so it will be successful for the it imported the files. So once we have to confirm it is imported or not, I can confirm through this command. See here, when I will imported, these are the results will be displayed. So this is the way to import the CSV file or Excel file on Google Colab directly by using these commands. Dear friend, if you are